Deep in the Negev, a Phantom is taking flight. Meet Israel's ultimate stealth surveillance weapon.
Lighter than aluminum, but stronger than steel. This composite is the Iron Breaker's unbreakable skeleton.
This isn't just paint. It's a secret chemical skin designed to swallow radar waves whole.
The frame is ready. Now, we install the brain that allows this ghost to think.
This tiny board processes millions of data points, allowing the Iron Breaker to navigate autonomously.
Fiber optics ensure zero lag. When seconds matter, this drone reacts faster than any human. Batteries and fuel working together. This hybrid system gives it a staggering 24-hour flight time.
This paint is a military secret. Subscribe to Assembly Secrets to discover more manufacturing mysteries.
One single scratch could reflect a radar wave and reveal the drone's entire position. Precision is life.
We are bombarding this machine with every radar frequency known, and it's staying completely invisible.
It's not the drone. I'm activating the alarm.
We have a massive unidentified contact on the radar. All hands, report status.
That wasn't the drone. It was a decoy signal designed to confuse enemy operators. Truly genius.
Check the alignment on these smart munitions.
Confirmed. They are ready for deployment.
Hidden internally to maintain stealth, these missiles can hit a target from 30,000 feet up.
Every curve is designed to deflect radar and slice through the air with zero effort.
With this much fuel, the Iron Breaker can reach any target across the continent and back.
Check.
Clear.
The drone is smart, but the final decision is always made by a human expert here.
This is the moment of truth. Years of engineering are about to leave the ground.
The engine is sputtering. Engineers are fighting to stabilize the flight before it's too late.
Crisis averted. A software glitch almost ended it, but the backup systems saved the mission.
From desert heat to Arctic cold, this drone is built to operate anywhere on Earth.
Stealth missions often mean rough runways. This gear can handle a crash landing and keep rolling.
In total darkness, the Iron Breaker sees everything. Nothing on the ground can hide from it.
It doesn't just hide, it fights back by blinding enemy radars with powerful electronic noise.
Yes. We did it.
And the final readout confirms it. 100% integrity across the board.
Very good. Let's move to the next section.
Even after extreme combat maneuvers, the carbon fiber frame shows zero signs of stress. This is elite engineering. It's officially an Iron Breaker, the mark of quality for the world's most advanced surveillance machine.
From this factory to any corner of the globe, this Ghost is ready for its first mission.
Stealth isn't just about paint anymore. It's about AI that predicts and jams radar in real time.
The Iron Breaker has redefined what's possible in the shadows. A true masterpiece of modern manufacturing.
Manufacturing secrets are everywhere, but few are as well guarded as the Phantom of the Negev.
Stealth is just the beginning. Subscribe to see which secret machine we break open next. See ya!